For now, as we speak, ano yung parang vision nyo para sa Baguio City? 5 years, 10 years from now, ano yung gusto nyo na mangyari at makikita sa Baguio City in the coming years, Mayor?
Well, maikli lang aming gusto mangyari sa Baguio. One is, it should be a smart, green, livable, and sustainable city. Yan, ano. So, kung titignan mo, ginagawa namin yung vision namin, ganun lang kaikli ang vision namin. Related dun sa mga words na yun, livability, creativity, and inclusivity. So, anytime po, ilalabas namin yung bago naming vision. Pero in essence, ang gusto namin mangyari sa Baguio, it should be a smart city, a green city, a creative city. Kasi alam mo, Baguio City is just one of the 3 cities in the entire country na recognized by UNESCO as a creative city. Kami, we're the first for crafts and folk arts. Ang Cebu for design. At lately lang, 2 weeks ago, ang Iloilo for gastronomy, ibig sabihin pagkain. So, yun yung mga yun yung mga keywords namin na gusto namin mangyari sa Baguio. Ulitin ko, Rema, smart, green, inclusive, creative, and sustainable city.